it to be like.
Alright, so I just wanted to quickly share that I did go ahead and pack some healthy snacks and some of my favorite crackers. This is probably going to be about the 11th networking event that I've been in the past 3 weeks. So at this point now, I just always want to be prepared. I don't always like how my body feels when I'm at these events eating the foods that I'm not always used to having. So I like getting ready. I like meeting people. I love connecting with others, getting all dressed up, but I'm always really careful about all the food that I'm eating on a weekly basis. So just a little tidbit for there. Always be prepared. Whether you're traveling, going to events, socializing more than usual, we can always be more prepared for our bodies to feel its best.